and that's what allows me to, do these precise cuts first time round, no mistakes. So let's make another couple of, let's do 3 more cuts. And for the purposes of demonstration, I am just cutting straight down this line, straight down the center. But I'll show you shortly that when you're actually working on a job, you will need to leave the line in half the time. That's it. You'll find different ways of measuring and cutting, but one classic way of getting the full length of timber you need is by leaving the line in and cutting to one side of it. We'll get onto that in a minute. So let's just take a look again at starting off. Your thumb cocked up in an angle, just gentle pressure, and you can see very gently, no heroics, the saw just goes in exactly where you want it, and the saw cut has started. So now let's complete the cut. Nice and gentle, keeping an eye on this angle of the saw here, because you want to end up with your cut going down here. You can make little adjustments as you go. You've got to keep an eye on the line, and you can probably see that the saw has gone nicely down the line here and at 90 degrees, so we're talking 90 degrees this way and 90 degrees that way, and that's what we're after for a square cut. And it's a lovely feeling, by the way, when you start to be able to do this efficiently and well. It's a great feeling to do something well. So there's another, as you can see, nice square, precise cut. And that just shows you the precision of the cut there.